Olha, não quis fotografia.
Não?
Aqui é castriado. Para
Por
quê?
quê?
Porque não podes tirar
Para o
fotografia.
YouTube.
Não podes tirar fotografias.
Why?
Queres
We're
ficar
allowed
sem
to-
isso? Queres
We're
ficar
allowed
sem
to
isso?
film.
Queres ficar sem isso?
Hey. Okay, so we're on our way to a flea market, but it's quite a distance to walk, so we're actually taking a bus today and saving our legs a little bit. So we're gonna go and check it out, see what it's like. It could be a really vast market with loads of different stores. So it's about coming up to like 11 AM now, so hopefully when we get there it's going to be in full flow, and it feels nice to not have to walk. So it should be like maybe a 20-minute bus ride or 15-20-minute bus ride, and then we'll I guess I'll stop now, so it's time to try and get out of this super crowded bus. Oh, everyone's getting out.
Thank you.
I can be free of the mascaretta. Very different looking to where we've been so far. Looks like we're
Like, where the fuck are we?
Looks like we're almost out of the city, but I guess this is like where you find good things, like big flea markets. So it's interesting. It's very like full of nature. Like, look, lovely and green. Okay. Well, lo and behold, like 2 minutes after we just got off of the bus from just over there, already we can see the flea market, and it's not like just the little market, it's like the whole fucking road. And it's like, let me come to the side a bit so you can see. There's people all the way down to the end of the street. So we're only at the very beginning. Não?
Aqui é castriado. Para
Por
quê?
quê?
Porque não podes tirar
Para o
fotografia.
YouTube.
Não podes tirar fotografias.
Why?
Não pode.
Why? I can film. Yeah, it's okay.
Alright.
Public, it's okay.
Queres pôr na internet essa merda para quê? Olha, queres ficar sem a câmera? Queres
We're
ficar
allowed
sem isso?
to.
Queres
We're
ficar
allowed
sem
to
isso?
film.
Queres ficar sem isso?
Hey. It's a public place.
Tá bem, mas eu não tenho ordem para filmar.
Mas não é assim que se fala com as
I can
pessoas.
film in public.
Tá bem, pronto, vai.
Okay, don't touch me though.
Mas eu já o disse,
Diz
eu já o
assim,
disse. Ele
desculpa,
vai
mas-
embora à vida
Pronto,
dele.
ele já vai embora.
I'm not filming your. It's not your face. I can film everything
Tá bem,
else.
mas não quero.
Yeah, I can. I know what I can
Não
do.
quero.
I can film if I want to, man. Come on. You get some crazy motherfuckers who try and dictate their own rules. I don't have to put your face in a YouTube video. Don't worry. I'm
He
just like,
grabbed my wrist and I was
yeah.
like,
I'm like, dude,
Listen.
I am allowed to film. This is public, so get away. And the woman's like, no, you best not. I'm like, no. I have to back down.
Vai estar a filmar lá o chato.
This guy?
Sim.
I don't know, he's funny.
You just come back to the guy with this, and he's not gonna say anything now.
Yeah. Some homemade thing, yeah.
Yeah. So
nice.
spend some few
time
evenings.
doing that. Yeah. So we've been exploring this crazy flea market for quite a little while now, but it looks like some of the sellers are starting to slowly pack up. So, but it's been super interesting so far. It's like probably the biggest flea market I've ever been to. They're definitely one of the best. I still think my favorite one was in Florence, but yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff here. So, like, it's such a turnout. There must be like a few hundred people here. So. And I haven't actually bought anything yet, but then I didn't plan to buy something, so I haven't seen anything yet that's just like jumps out at me. So it tends to be how I pick something. Yeah, it definitely looks and feels a little bit quieter now. I guess most people are starting to pack up. A lot of the vendors now are whipping out a cigarette and lighting it up, so like literally 3 people simultaneously. And I feel like that is the symbol that we're pretty much ready to finish. I just want to see if there's any like last cool items before we end. You can buy all kinds of hubcaps, car badges, some more rare than others, but cool. But yeah, I feel like that guy before. Now thinking about it, the reason he was probably so touchy about being on camera is probably half of that shit stolen. So yeah, cameras and phones and things like that's probably been nicked from somewhere, so that's probably why he doesn't want to be filmed, because no one else seems to have a problem. Literally just that guy, so you know, fuck that guy. Well, it looks like it's done down here, because everyone's got things loaded up, so maybe that's it. Alright guys, well this has been the tour of the Praça de Flores market in Porto, flea market, and I think it's happening every single Saturday, so bring yourself down here and then come and experience this amazing market environment. Super vast, super varied. Anyway, I hope you guys have all enjoyed it. Let me know if you have, and you know the proper channels and the ways how, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for a new video soon. Ciao, peace.